Businessman Vusimuzi Matlala is expected back in the Alexandra Magistrates Court in Johannesburg today for the continuation of his bail application. SABC News reporter Neria Hlakotsa has more on this story. Now, Neria standing by there at the court for more details. Neria, good morning. And of course, a continuation of this bail application. Perhaps you could start by recapping for us what transpired last week and of course, what's to be expected today.
Good morning, Sakina. Well, we do know that today Vusimuzi Matlala is expected to continue with his bail application. Last week, basically, he put his side of the story to the court, mainly saying that the charges against him by the state are baseless. You must remember that he is facing charges of attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and money laundering. When it comes to the charge of money laundering, Vusimuzi Matlala did indicate to the state that he paid accused number 2 in the matter the 100,000 rand, not because he was paying him to attempt to kill Tebogo, but he was paying him because accused number 2's mother had passed away and he was basically helping with funeral arrangements and the service itself. On the charge of attempted murder, Matlala insisted to the court that he was not even part of that plot. He even told the court that it is unheard of that the person he attempted to kill would be the one that calls him. According to Matlala, just after the attempted murder of Tebogo, who is his former partner, Tebogo did make a call to him, asking him basically to help him with protection. If you remember, Vusimuzi owns a cat VIP protection services, and he says his then partner, or former partner for that matter, asked for his protection. On the issue of conspiracy to commit murder, Matlala still also insisting that he had nothing to do with this. So he's arguing basically that the state's allegations are very much baseless at this point, and he intends to plead not guilty when it comes to these charges. But the state insisting, of course, to the court that Matlala more than anything is a flight risk. And to prove this, the state was speaking about how they found an Eswatini identity document of Vusimuzi Matlala. But on that identity document, it is called, his name rather on that identity document is Vusimuzi Dlamini. And this is what the state is saying, that if we release him on bail, he will evade his trial. The state also spoke, Sakina, about the fact that, you know, Matlala also has interest in Mauritius. And these are just some of the arguments that will be concluded today as the state also puts its versions of event in terms of the bail application itself. The state is saying they will be arguing their side of the story.